Hello everyone. My name is Damini and today we are going to learn how to create this beautiful Christmas winter season painting. In this course, you will learn to paint the background, to painting the house with a wooden effect, to painting the lights. We will also see how to make smoke coming out from chimney, snow-clad trees and roof, snow-covered floor and Christmas lights hanging up on the tree. You will have a lot of fun exploring various techniques and effects. In this painting, I have explained a lot of different textures to you. I invite you to join me for the class. It's a beginners friendly course and there's no experience required to make this beautiful painting. I look forward to seeing you in the class.